G'day folks, I'm Sam from Timbecon, and today we'll be demonstrating flocking. Being the footy season, we'll be flocking the football. Okay guys, now remember to use some paper just to protect your work area, the surface. Now we have our football. On this occasion, being a red football, we're going to use the colour red. We have our powder and our liquid adhesive or glue. Make sure to take a mask with you when flocking, a pair of rubber gloves and a small brush. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're going to add our adhesive. In this case it'll be red. We're just going to brush that on to the entire surface of the football. Now we've applied the glue to the surface of our work material and we're ready to flock. Okay, let's get our applicator and add some powder. Okay, mask on, let's go. So you can tap. So there you go team, today we flocked the football. If you have any respect for the game, you won't be flocking the football that often. Normally, you flock jewellery boxes and woodcraft. If you want to see how to do that, just have a look at our link up here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name's Sam Tana, and thanks for watching.